Today, July 21st, Lunar Day. Why we celebrate July 21st as Lunar Day? That is the day commemorates the man first walked on the moon in July 21st, 1969. Here we present Sea of Tranquillity, a 3-day graphical presentation by ICS Secondary School, Koilandi. Apollo 11 was a space flight that first landed humans on the moon. It was a history explained in Armstrong's words: one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. Now, Lana Hanan introduced the concept of Lunar Day.
Hi friends, how are you? Hope you're fine. Do you like this dress? Can you guess what it is? You know what is the specialty of today? Yes, today is Lunar Day. It is astronaut's dress. The moon is only a normal planet on the earth. A lot of studies on the moon has arisen on 20th century. On 1959, Lunar first was the first spacecraft reach on the moon. On 20th century, we could see a rapid jump in the era of space research on this field. The world has gained very big achievement in 21st July also. We are celebrate July 21st as Lunar Day. It is celebrated because of the memory of first human who made the first footstep on the moon. On July 21st, 1969, the American astronaut Neil Armstrong, Edwin Buzz Aldrin, Michael Collins all together made their footstep on the moon. Neil Armstrong, who made the first footstep on the moon surface. Our nation has gained very big achievement in the era of space research. Indian Space Agency ISRO started to work on 1969.
We are living in a magnificent land, planet Earth. As you know, it's just one of the particles of galaxy. The depth of galaxy is simply out of our imagination. Here, Rana Amina and Liana Ashraf introduce the solar system.
Mercury is the first and the smallest planet in the solar system, as Mercury is nearest to the Sun. It's extremely hot during the day and extremely cold during the night. The second planet is Venus. It's hottest and brightest for all planets. As it can be seen in the morning and evening, it's called morning star and evening star. The third planet in the solar system is our planet Earth. Nearly 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with the water, due to which the Earth is also called the blue planet. The fourth planet is Mars. It's also known as red planet because of the presence of red soil and rock. The fifth and largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. It's so large that it can occupy nearly 1,300 Earth inside it. The sixth planet is Saturn. It's the second largest planet in the solar system. Its yellowish color and beautiful rings around that are made of ice and dust. The seventh planet is Uranus. A thick layer gas is covered this planet. The eighth planet is Neptune. As the planet is farthest from the Sun, cold wind blow at very high speed.
As the Sun, Moon also very close to our planet Earth. In other words, Moon is more close to our science, sometimes to our heart, and stories, songs. We all love the moonlight. Now, it's time to introduce Glimpse About the Moon by Rifa Mariam.
The moon is the Earth's largest natural satellite, and we usually see it in the night sky. Some other planets have also the moon is the natural satellite. The gravity of the moon is 1/6 of the Earth's gravity. It means something will be 6 times lighter on the moon than on the Earth. A moon is a large body or mass or a material that orbits around a planet. It is usually much smaller than the other planets. The Earth has only one moon, while the Mars has 2 moons, and the Jupiter is an enormous 67 moons, the brightest and the largest object in our night sky. The moons makes the Earth more livable planet by moderating our home planet wobble on its axis, leading to a relatively very stable climate. It also causes tides, creating a rhythm that has guided humans for thousands of years. The surface of the moon is very different from the Earth's surface. There is little or no tectonic movement on the moon. Like on the Earth, the moon's surface has remained the same for billions of years. On the moon, the lacks of water and an atmosphere, the weathering, erosion, tectonic process common to the Earth that does not happen on the moon.
We all are very much interested to watch the night sky that shows the mesmerizing beauty of stars and moon. The turn of symbol curve into full moon is the poetic visual tree of nature. Let's present the concept of lunar phases by Amal Shah.
Look at that! When the moon is in between the earth and the sun, we do not see the moon at all. It's called new moon.
2 or 3 days after new moon day, we see a small part of the moon. This is called crescent moon.
Look at that! Within a week, we see the half of the moon. That's called half moon.
Look at that. When we see more than half of the moon, it is called the gibbous moon.
Look at that! Within 2 weeks, we see the full moon, when the earth comes between the sun and the moon.
The age of curiosity to know the moon of equivalent to the history of mankind. The science started its journey to moon on 1950s. Our India's steps to the moon is Chandrayaan mission. Hania Parveen will let you know in detail.
Chandrayaan-1 was the first Indian lunar probe under the Chandrayaan program. It was launched by the ISRO on October 2008 and operated on August 2009. Indian launched spacecraft using PSLV-XL rocket on 22nd October at Sadi Dhawan spacecraft at Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. The vehicle was inserted by the lunar orbiter on November 8, 2008. On November 14, 2008, the moon impact was separated from the Chandrayaan orbiter. This makes India fourth country to place its flag on the moon and analyzing the presence of lunar water ice. The location of impact was called the Jawahar Point. Chandrayaan-2 is the second exploration program developed by the ISRO after the Chandrayaan-1. As of September 2019, it consists of a lunar orbiter, also included the Vikram lander and the Pragyan lunar rover. The main objective is to map and study the variation of the lunar surface composition as well as the location and abundance of a lunar water. The spacecraft was launched on 22 July 2019 at 2:43 p.m. by GSLV Mark III MI. The craft reached Moon's orbit on 20 August 2019.
The lander and the rover were scheduled to land near side of the moon. The lander was deviated and intended trajectory with landing on 6 September 2019, which caused a hard landing. The crash was caused by the software glitch. ISRO may re-attempt the landing the second quarter of 2021 with Chandrayaan-3.
We hope Chandrayaan project will make a mark in the land of moon as a honor to all Indians.